Hello world. Today we're going to look at navigation through lines. So first, how do we enable line numbers in Vim? We set number. Now that we've got this, how do we jump to a specific line number? We're going to look at three ways to do this. First one is colon and then line number. Next one is line number and then capital G. The next one is line number and GG. Right? So the problem with this is when you have a large file and you want to be able to quickly jump to, say, line 206. You would say 206 and GG, or 220 capital G, right? Now, the problem with this is we're having to type too many numbers and keys to jump through lines. So it would be really nice if we constrained the available numbers on screen in 2 digits. There is a way to solve this, which is relative number, right? I can say set relative number. Now you see that the line numbers will never be bigger than 2 digits unless you have a really small font which can accommodate like 100, more than 100 lines. If I want to go 10 lines above, I can say 10K, and 14 lines below, I can say 14J. Thing is, I just have to look at the number that is on the line and then decide whether I want to go up or down, and then I press that number and J or K based on whether I want to go up or down. Now the problem with this one is when somebody else is looking at your code and is trying to figure something out or helping you, right? So it's difficult for them to say 9 lines above or 2 lines down, right? So they would prefer to tell you the absolute line number. I found a solution online, these 3 lines. So I'll go ahead and add these to my VimRC. So it's here, right? So I'll set the number and I will uncomment these. Now that I've saved this, I can source. Let's actually quit and reopen this. Once you open a file, you won't be in relative. So you will be in the absolute line number mode. But once you go into insert mode and then come back, it's going to turn to relative line numbers. So it's very helpful this way because while navigation, you want the relative numbers. And while you're in the insert mode, you get the absolute line number. Now you don't care about navigation by lines because you're not in the normal mode. So you can't use J and K to go up and down. So now you can quickly switch to insert mode to let the other person see absolute line numbers and tell you where you want to go. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.